Hello, my name is Cindy Segura, and today's date is March 13th, 2019, and this is week two's lab exercise for the video on histology. We're going to talk about the four types of tissues in the body. The first one is the epithelial tissue, that are sheets of cells that cover the exterior of the body, lines internal cavities and passageways, and form certain glands, for example, the GI tract organs. Some of the areas that are lined by epithelium are skin, airways, digestive tract, urinary and reproductive system, and hollow organs like the blood vessels and the serous membranes. Epithelial cells have three major embryonic layers. One, skin. Parts of the mouth, nose, and anus develop from ectoderm. 2, cells lining the airways, digestive system develop from endoderm. And 3, cells that line vessels in the lymphatic and cardiovascular system derives from mesoderm. The function and structure of the connective tissue. The connective tissues bind cells and organs together and function in the protection, support, and integration of all the parts of the body. Connective tissue is also dispersed in a matrix, which is a large amount of extracellular material produced by the connective tissue cells that are embedded in it. One of the important functions that it performs is they support and connect other tissues. For example, connective tissue sheath that surround muscle cells to the tendons that attach muscles to the bones. Skeletons that support the position of the body. It also protects in the form of fibrous capsules and bones that protect delicate organs and the skeletal system. The function and structure of the muscle tissue. Muscle tissue responds to stimulation and contracting to provide movement. It needs to be excited. It's classified into 3 types of structure or function. The first one is the skeletal. The skeletal tissue is attached to bones, and its contraction makes possible locomotion, facial expression, posture, and other voluntary movements. 40% of our body mass is made up of the skeletal muscle. It also generates heat in the body. Number 2, the cardiac muscle forms in the contractile walls of the heart. The cardiac muscle pumps blood through the body. And number 3 would be the smooth muscle tissue. Is involuntary movement in the internal organs. It forms the contractile components of the digestive, urinary, and reproductive system, as well as the airways and arteries. The function and structure of the nervous tissue. The nervous tissue is characterized by being excitable and capable of sending and receiving electrochemical signals that provide the body with information. 2 main classes of cells that make up the nervous tissue is neuron and neuroglia. Astrocyte cells are star-shaped, and they have many functions, including regulation of ion concentration, uptake or breakdown of neurotransmitters, and formation of the blood-brain barrier, which is the membrane that separates the circulatory system from the brain. The nervous tissue can be found in the brain and the spinal cord. Thank you very much.